How to change Google password. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step on that. So let's just get started. First of all, you may just head over to one of the Google associated applications, such as Play Store, open it up, and you can locate a profile, usually in the top right corner, tap on it, and you should be finding an option called Manage Google Account. Tap on it, and then it will lead you to this section right here. So what you can do is head over this tab right here, personal info, tap on it, and from given options you may scroll down and scroll until you reach over to the section of password. So you can just go ahead and tap on password, and once you do, you will be taken to another page. So wait for that page to load up first, and then it gives you option to change your password. So you can just go ahead and type in your new password. After that, confirm your new password in the section. Once this is done, you can tap on change password, and that will help you. That will basically change your password on your Google account. So this is the method you can apply up if you would like to change your password as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.